Creating an FAQ section for your website just got a whole lot easier with AI. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to leverage AI tools to create a professional, user-friendly FAQ section that saves you time and effort. Whether you're building a new website or looking to improve your current one, stay tuned to learn a fast, efficient way to get it done. First things first, you want to know the exact pain points your customers are facing. Start by collecting the most common questions they ask. If you already have customer support tickets or social media messages, review them. If not, look at competitor websites or review platforms to see what questions people frequently have. This is the foundation for your FAQ section. Once you have those questions, it's time to use AI. AI can help you take these questions and craft clear, concise answers. But the real power lies in the fact that AI can also suggest additional questions you might not have thought of. So this is where the software we'll be using comes in. This software allows you to input your initial list of questions and then generates well-crafted, human-like answers. It also helps structure them in a way that's easy for your website visitors to digest. The process is super simple. Open the software and select the option to generate an FAQ section. Then, just input your list of common questions. The software will provide answers in seconds. You can edit and customize the responses to make sure they align perfectly with your brand tone. But that's not all. AI can also help you prioritize these FAQs by identifying which questions are most likely to be searched by your users. It does this by analyzing search intent and traffic data, which means you'll have a much better understanding of what users care about the most. The next step is integrating this FAQ section into your website. Many website builders like WordPress or Wix have built-in widgets that make adding an FAQ section incredibly simple. All you have to do is copy and paste the answers generated by AI into these pre-designed FAQ templates. It's just a few clicks and you're done. Before you start adding everything to your site, make sure your FAQ section is easily accessible. Place it in a prominent area where users can quickly find it, like in the footer or as a dedicated page linked in your main navigation. You want to ensure your visitors can easily get answers to their questions without having to search around. Now here's the key takeaway. Using AI to create FAQ sections saves you time and ensures that your responses are optimized for both user experience and SEO. You don't have to struggle with writer's block or spend hours coming up with content. Instead, let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on other important parts of your website. To recap, collect the most common questions, input them into the AI software, refine the answers, and then easily add them to your website using simple tools. With AI, creating a killer FAQ section is fast and easy. And don't forget, if you want to follow along and try the software I used in this tutorial, be sure to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. That's all for today. See you in the next video.